Okay, this video is going to show you how to write an exponential equation from a table. So the first thing we're going to need to do is identify our y-intercept. Well, here's x is 0, y is 1, so our y-intercept is 1. Next, we got to figure out the growth factor. What is it we're multiplying by? Well, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and so on and so forth. So it looks like we're multiplying by 2. To find the equation, you can kind of look at this 32 and say, well, I have 32. I started with 1, and then I multiplied it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So it's 1 times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 2s, which I could just write like this, 1 times 2 to the 5th. So that's not the equation, that's just how I found this 5th term. Let's say I picked another term, like let's say x is 10 and I wanted to find this missing number. Well, again, I would start with my y-intercept, which was 1, times how many 2's do you think I'm going to have? Well, if it's x is 5, I had 5 2's, so if x is 10, I must have 10 2's, so that would be 1 times 2 to the 10th. And then the equation would be this. If this is x, how do I find y? Well, I find y by starting with the y-intercept 1, then timesing it by 2 to the power of x. I should have x number of 2's, and that is your equation. So to break it into the pieces that I'm using to find this equation, 1 is going to be our y-intercept. 2 is our growth factor, the number we're multiplying by. And then x is, of course, x. Okay, that's it. That's how you write a exponential equation.